Cause through Yaakov being on him something and I like DoorDash food. So he put me on really stain. At 7 o'clock now, get a chair and focus. I made that hurt me.
Go take the pill.
Alright.
Hold up shirt.
Which pill? The Viagra?
The what?
The Viagra. Which one I pill him?
Look in the jar there. I'll let the pill in there.
Which one am I take? Advil?
Take the one for the migraine and do not leave them up there, so put them back where you find it.
What's my yard? Who are those one?
People are trying to make a place a home. Take a pill for this, so you're gonna get a pharmacist.
Hey, say today you vex when you say something to me here, you say?
I'm making the place a home.
When you come here, you don't see that kind of place is a home?
No.
When you come here, my house look like shit.
No, but it's
So
not
why
a
you
home.
say it's not a home? So it's what a ends?
Yeah, it looks
You
more
say
like
100, you
an
say 100 man in here will not gonna wait for kill somebody?
It favor our ends door.
Know yourself. When I go to your yard, your yard look like a ring around.
No, my house is a
No,
home.
your house not a
This
home.
is a fuck shop.
Oh. What?
This look like a fuck shop.
What fuck shop?
No, you want to get into it.
No, none of this your house, no. Your house is where the girl them come and...
Don't. May I tell my friend them? Say it, no? Say it.
No,
Cause long time I want to bring down the girl.
expect pretty at
When
TC.
I talk, tell the girl where you chat the girl with me.
Oh, are you chat? Oh, you remember saying anyone your friend in business, me know it have to come through you?
No, me not tell my friend them business.
What?
Me not tell my
You not tell me say TC man I have to kick her down? I mean, I call every
I
night.
would never say that.
Bro, a full time you just tell the truth.
I would
Everything
never say
you know.
that. How do people have to get serious now?
Professor Tolani is Tolani and nerd. What tell him to be TC?
Move myself, call friend nerd.
You know what I mean, bro?
You mix up.
Oh,
You mix up. You
no, cause you say man, people
No,
take it
talk-
serious.
no.
Tolani I'm a dog, but Tolani
No,
is nerd, but then
no.
people like Tolani never be TC.
I be a chat the girl him.
Me and you.
You don't lie.
And then when I talk about rank, and you talk about.
Don't stop.
I joke.
Stop saying that.
I joke, bro. I joke, you know, joke. Oh God, bro. You know me I stop from joking upon life.
I'm not from that, so you tell me that enough.
Yeah, me I stop. Can you take it too serious, bro? We don't have time for chat rank. Only thing me tell you, say the
Me a
dance.
regular chat the wrong
Stop tell lie. Stop. No, but with that now, let me share. Me and I chat my blood clot, but the more I tell you, say, update your dance them, because they come like karate.
Who a black guy? Who me that the one say? Him in a B, you see this? B. Then yes. Him chat the people alright to this morning here we are Swiss. We say Swiss alright here. Active. I'm a moderate.
What? Bro, me not talking on the sleep. What you talking about?
Me can hear Swiss. Active. So me say what the active? Active, I'm a moderator.
Me no moderator name active, so where you get that from?
TikTok, I'm gonna mad you. You know?
What?
The boy I dream, but you see me? Active, I'm a moderator. Me I say active are you what? And that's the thing you see this
Bro,
morning.
too much. Remember, too much, bro. See it? Cause you chat people too much.
Fuck that stuff.
Jesus Christ. Share the live team. Sorry about
What's
that.
all them not saying at the request?
Look if you're an on.
Back up, we got slide. I'm gonna take a whisper for this one. Lacy have 3 gloves. Anybody else have gloves?
Gloves check, chat. Oh, the girl, wake up. Guys, tell Tyler already.